Okay, the model has been trained. So let's proceed. After the model has been trained, it's important to visualize the model. Okay, we need to visualize and see how the model performed during the course of the training. And so we do that using this code here. So this code here will give us a summary and let us know how the model was performing, okay, for each epoch. So that is what we have here. So I'll run this to get the visualization. And now also get the one for the loss. This one is for the accuracy. Then this one is for the loss. So I'll display both. Okay. So let me just explain some few things here. So if you look at the accuracy, we see that the model improved. Okay, it was improving over time. So here we have the first epoch, and then as it moved along, the model was improving. So if you look at this model, this is how we expect a good model to behave. The behavior, I'm talking about the accuracy for the training and validation. Here we can see that the accuracy for the training and then that for the validation, the values are not far off. This is what we expect a good model to do. Okay, we expect that training and validation scores will not be that wide. The difference will not be that wide. If it becomes wide, then there's a problem. Okay, if it becomes wide, you need to investigate. And that is why this visualization is important, because it lets you know if your model is behaving as expected. So take note of that. We also have the loss, and we see that the values are not far off. So the model is behaving well. The behavior of this model is as expected. So we'll proceed. And you can also check here validation and accuracy. We see the values here. Okay, around 0.83. Here the range is between 0 and 1, so around 0.83. Okay, so that's what we have. So with this plot, we can see that the model is performing well, because we can see it has a high score, 0.83, which is above 0.8, which is good. Okay, so now we are done with the training. And so we are now going to predict on the test data.